Welcome back everyone to my channel Taj Edge Online Classes. In this video, I will be starting with Unit 5 of your Statistics for Business Decision 1 of first semester BBA, Bangalore City University. Those students who have a backlog of this subject can also refer to my videos. Also, the other students from the other universities across the country can also refer to my these videos. It will help you learn the concepts of index numbers very well. Index numbers. First, let's understand what is the meaning of index number. Index numbers are statistical tools used to measure changes in variables like prices, quantities, etc. over a period of time. What does this mean? It means that it is a kind of statistical tool, like we use mean, median and mode. Okay, all those are statistical tools. Even we use correlation, regression, covariance, standard deviation, all other types of tools in the statistics to find an answer to a question. Okay, so that is why we call those all as a statistical tools. Here also, index number is also a kind of statistical tool which is used to measure the changes in variables. See, when we are doing mean, median and mode, that is what we call measures of central tendency, or when we are using a measures of dispersion, we will get an exact answer, but we are not going to compare that with how much changes has been happened over a period of time. But with the help of index numbers, we can find it out. We can find the changes in the variables like prices, quantities, etc. over a period of time. So now let's take example for your better understanding. Let's say the petrol prices in India in the year 2005 was 40 rupees, in the year 2015 was 70 rupees, 2025 was 105 rupees. Okay, so here what are you observing? You are observing there are at least two numericals, 2 years, 2 prices which we are comparing, right? We can compare 2005 with 2015, 2015 with 2025, even we can compare 2005 with 2025. So at least 2 numbers, 2 prices, 2 quantities or 2 values are required to compare and see how much changes has occurred over a period of time. So it's important that we need index numbers. How do we calculate the index numbers? Before understanding how do we calculate the index numbers, we also one more thing we need to understand is, let me tell you what are the basic things we need to have knowledge about. Zero means, this is zero, okay, not O. Zero means base year. 1 means 1, okay, ONE 1 means current year. Okay, 0 means base year, 1 means current year, P means price, Q means quantity. Okay, 0 means base year, 1 means current year, P means price, Q means quantity. If it is written as P0, that means price of what? Price of base year. Q0 means quantity of base year. Okay. P1 means price of what? Current year, right? Q1 means quantity of current year, right? So now I hope that you have understood. 0 means base year, 1 is current year, P means price, Q means quantity, P0 means price of base year, Q0 means quantity of base year, P1 means price of current year, Q1 means quantity of current year. This is how we learn. We need to have this basic knowledge. So if I have the prices of this petrol, I can get it from Google also, right? If I have the prices of the petrol or like commodities like gold, rice or anything, you know that chocolate. Let's take an example of a chocolate. Dairy Milk chocolate. Okay. Dairy Milk chocolate, when you were child, like when you were 10 years ago, in the year 2015, if you paid 10 rupees, what was the quantity, size, okay, quantity or size of the chocolate? You think of that. Now in 2025, for the same 10 rupees, what is the size or quantity you are getting? You see, check that. You can compare it and see whether it is increasing, whether decreasing, and what are the reasons for the changes. All those things you can understand, right, through index numbers. You can compare the quantities, you can compare the prices. Mostly prices are being compared. Okay, when we are learning different types of index numbers, there we compare the quantity as well as the prices. Fine. Here, let me take base year 2005 and 2015. First, I will compare 2005 with 15. Base year price of the petrol was 40 rupees and the current year was 70. Now, using the formula P01 means price of 0 means base year and current year. We have to use the sigma. Sigma sign means total or summation, right? Total of P1. Okay, P1 means current year, that is 70 rupees. Okay, that is 70 rupees. Later, denominator, total of P0, that is 40 rupees. 70 minus 70 divided by 40 into 100 is equal to 175. That is your index number. 100 is considered here because index numbers are usually be denoted as percentage. That's why we multiply that with the 100. So I have got the 175 as an index number. As I have already said you, 100 is considered as a base number. So now, whatever the index number we have got, we need to deduct 100 from that. That 175 minus 100 is 75. That 75 percentage of price has increased over 10 years. 10 years from 2005 to 2015. That 10 years, the price has increased to 75%. Next, if I take base year as 2015 and current year as 2025. In the year 2015, the price was 70 rupees. Currently, you are seeing that the price is 105 rupees. If I compare that both with the same formula, summation of P1, that is summation of price of current year divided by summation of price of base year into 100. The price of current year is 105 rupees. Price of base year is 70 rupees. Into 100, I get 150 as an index number. So once I get the index number, I need to deduct 100. Always we need to deduct 100, and I see that 150 minus 100 is 50% of increases in prices of petrol over a period of time, that is from 2015 to 2025, 10 years, right? So that is what we call it as a index numbers. I hope that you have understood the concept of index numbers here. Further, I will explain. I will solve the few problems about the index numbers. You will understand about the different types of index numbers, what do we need to learn in the subject, everything in the upcoming videos. Thank you.